Today we're going to review the Flex Import function in BlueCell. To demonstrate this, I'll go to Configure Sequences, select Add, and I'll just call this New Sequence. I'll hit OK, and now I need to add a sequence item. I'm going to select Add Item, Add New, and I'm going to be setting this up to import information from comma separated value or CSV files. So I'll choose the ASCII type. I'm going to go ahead and leave this name as is, but when I want to run the sequence, I'd like BlueCell to go directly to where I store my files. That way I don't have to click through a bunch of folders each time. To do that, I'm going to fill in the starting path. I'll hit Browse, and now I'm going to browse to where I store my files. Now when I run the sequence, BlueCell will always go directly to that folder. This import is going to be for parts, so I'll leave the target type as part groups. However, you can pull in sheets, assemblies, and edges. Now here's an example of a file that I would use this sequence to import. As you can see, each column has a title, and obviously I don't want to bring in a part called name. So I'm going to set the starting row to 2. The delimiter, which is what separates the values in the file, is set to comma, and therefore this will be used to import a CSV file. Finally, I'm going to use a sample file so I can map the information in my files to the proper column in BlueCell. To map the information in the files to the correct column in BlueCell, simply click Edit. This is the material column in BlueCell, so I want to come down to the material field in my file. As you can see, this is a preview of the information that is in that column. I'm going to go ahead and choose to select this column. Now, I will repeat that for each piece of information about my parts. Now that I've set up this sequence item, I can hit Next, Finish, and OK. Now I'm ready to run my sequence. So I'll click on Run Sequence, choose New Sequence. I'll select that file and hit Open. And just like that, I have all my parts. Now that I pulled in all my parts, I'm ready to optimize. And we're ready to send these to the shop floor for production.